Okay, so we are in Facebook Ads Manager. We have done sales and leads. So we'll start with engagement ads. So engagement ads are for the people who would engage with our content. So maybe they will say like, comment, share our content. That is the engagement on our content. Then we might have videos that they can like, so they can view those videos that we can do. And plus of course the methods with which they can engage is with they can directly communicate on messenger, whatsapp, and say instagram as well. So that is the engagement that we have. So we'll scroll down and provide the name of the campaign, ad set and ad. So I will use engagement, and then whatever product or whatever content I want to provide, that I can use. So we are selecting some post, so I will select engagement on post. So post engagement we are using, and then we click on continue. So on this page you just need to select if you want to say give controls or keep controls for the bids. So I would keep the controls, or I can give the controls, whatever is feasible, that's fine. So after that I can provide the budget, so I'll say 500 rupees. And the bid strategy over here we have is like highest volume, or say other option is bid cap and cost per result goal. So cost per result goal would be costly. We would select highest volume, and then show more options, ad scheduling, that is ads will run on all the time. So in this case today let's use a lifetime budget, so that I can show you how to schedule the ads. So in that case I'll use 5000 as the amount. So 5000 is the lifetime budget, and then I can edit and say run ads on schedule. So then I click on next. Okay, so yeah, so now over here the conversion location, so either it can be say website or app or on your ad or facebook page. So facebook page is for getting likes. So this is the next ad that we will be doing. First we'll select on your ad, so we can have say we can have people watch our video or interact with your post or event. So we will promote a post over here. So event is of course same like post only. So we will do post over here. Now engagement type, so what type of engagement do we want? So whether it is a video or a post, so we are selecting post engagement over here. So either it is a video, it is a post engagement, or an event, so we are using post engagement. And then maximize engagement with a post, so that is what we are selecting. The other goals are like maximize unique daily reach and maximize number of impressions. So this is not what I want. I want maximum engagement with a post. And over here, since we have given the controls to the facebook, so we will not be able to manage the bids. So that's it. And then over here, what is it that we want to, when do we want to get charged? So it would be on impressions. Then budget and schedule, so I need to provide the start date and end date over here. Okay, so I'll start at 6 a.m. and end date I need to provide, it is compulsory because I have selected daily lifetime budget. So this is budget and scheduling. And then say over here we need to schedule our ads. So in this case, if I want to run my ads from 6 a.m. to 12 in the night, I can select this is the time that I want on all the days. But on say Saturday, Sunday, I want 24 hours, so I can select like this. So I can just select the blocks. Each block is for 1 hour. So this is the blocks over here. You can check out the blogs. So like this, there are various blocks for one hour. So So this is 12 to 1, then 1 to 2, 2 to 3, so you can see 3 a.m. over here. Then 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, so you can see 6 a.m. over here. So like this you can schedule your ad as per the time that is required, as per your requirement. Then audience, we can select our audiences. So over here I can select the audience which I have saved, or else I can create a new audience. So this time we will select the audience that we have already created. So I will select May 2023. So this is the audience that is selected. After that, placements, so I would we will select advantage plus placements, but just to check we will click on manual placements, that where my ads will be coming up. So my ads will be coming up on Facebook, Instagram and audience networks. So this is it, and these are the formats of the ads where these are the formats of the placements where my ads will be coming up. So once I have selected, then I can switch back to advantage plus placements, and after that show more options, that is related to brand safety. So in case if you want, you can select this. So by default it is standard delivery which we are selecting. Now there is full inventory and limited inventory, so this will say have some say some of the problematic places where we might not require the ads, and this is the safest one, but say my ads will be narrowed down. If you want to see what is the difference between the two, you can just click on this see the list. So you will get to know that okay, this in full you have depicts distressing events and instances of intentionally causing major distress to others. So in full it is included, in standard it is excluded, in limited also. So like this we get to see that what are the things that are included and what are the things that are excluded over here. So like this we get to see all the things where it is included, where it is not included, but say we always select standard delivery only, standard inventory only. After that, over here we have applies to audiences network currently with standard sets. So that is again standard delivery only. If you want to see, then you can click on the list, so you will get to see the same thing over here. So that's standard inventory over here. Over here also standard inventory, and then block list. So this is in case if you want to block certain pages where you do not wish to show your ads, but we are not blocking anyone. We want our ads to be shown at maximum places, so that's the block list. And then content type exclusion, so in case if you want to exclude your content on live streaming videos, then you can select that also. So your ads will not come up in live videos, but we want that also, so we'll keep it. And after that say by default the topic exclusion for Facebook Instagram videos, so your ads will not come up in politics, religion or spirituality categories, so that's by default. Then you click on next, and then you go towards creating your ad. So our Facebook page and Instagram account is selected. So after that we need to create the ad. So I can select a post, so I can click and I can select whichever post I want to select, which I want to promote, where I want more engagement. But just in case if you do not get say the post that you want, then in that case you can select directly go to the Facebook page, and you can select the you can select the image or video ID or other keywords that you can add over here. So like this it will get selected. So this is one of the option that I can use. So maybe this one or this one, I can select the post, I can click on continue. But just in case if that is not coming up, then I can enter a post ID. So there is a option over here, I can provide the post ID. So that is what it says. So that ID I can get it from Facebook. So I'll go to Facebook my page, and from there I will get the ID. So let me check. Say suppose this is the post that I want to promote, so in that case I can just click over here on the time. I click over here, this is the post ID, so I can just copy this post ID and I can paste it over here. When I'm selecting the post over here, I can enter the post ID, so that is what it selects. So in case if it does not get selected, that then I can use. So that is the post ID. So like this I can just copy this and I can post it over here. So this I can select over here like this, and then I can say this. So it says that a valid promotable post ID is required, but that is the ideal post ID. Yeah, so that is what it is. So over here let me try this one. I can paste it over here. That is what I have been using from all these years. You can select it over here. Let me try press enter. The post was not found. The ID you entered didn't result. It is not available. So there is a problem whenever we add any content. So let me try this one. This will come up. So basically I think it requires the only the static post over here. Let me try this one. So yes, now you are able to find that, so that will come up over here. So it requires static images only, not the videos that we are posting. So it's fine. I mean we can select whatever we want over here. So right now I'll just click on cancel and keep the one which is available. So you need to copy the URL and you can put it. Okay, so we have selected a post that we want to promote, and then call to action button. So over here it is showing WhatsApp button. So if you want that people should say contact you with WhatsApp, then you can use that. Otherwise the other option is to I can okay, this is placement. Over here I want to change this. Then what I want is say call now, get quote, learn more, message, shop now. All these options are available, so I can select whatever I want. Maybe I can just select get quote also, and this URL I can remove. So like this I can select whatever options I want over here. So maybe I can just select send WhatsApp message also, and it will come up. So this is what we are selecting. So at this moment I'm not changing it. If I select remove, then even that is fine. If I don't want to keep, then what happens is that then over here I get to see the share button, so people can share this. So people can like, comment, share over here. So this is what we can do. And if we want to add, then yes, we can keep that as well. And that's it. Over here we don't need anything else. So this is created because we are promoting a post. There is no title description over here. We don't need to add anything, but there is some error which is related to Facebook FB types. Okay, we do not support this particular post over here in any of our actions. So maybe this post is not being selected, but just let me see. So Facebook type invalid conversion, so Facebook ID type in conversion specification is not acceptable, we do not support this in any of our actions. So let me see if I can uh, select something. Ideally that should not come up, I mean this error should not come up when we are talking about this, but still, I mean if we are having any problem, then in that case I can just remove and I can add some another uh, post over here. I can change the post. Let me see what else I can use. I'll use this one over here and say continue. Let's see if it gives error. So at this moment it is not giving any error, so rest everything looks fine over here. And if I want, I can remove this over here, remove, then I will get that share button over here. So this is it, and now I can just check all the previews of the ads that I have created. So this is what the post is all about. So I can just promote a particular post over here. So you might also see say boost post in some of the cases, so that also it will take you over here itself to the ads manager where you can create the ad. So once this is created, I can click on publish. So still it is showing some problem over here. Maybe it requires some button over here, so I'll keep the default one over here. Okay, so if we face any problem like this, then in that case we can even search also what is the problem, tracking and conversion specification. Okay, but we did not select anything, so this is a permission error. Either the object you are trying to access is not visible to you, or the action you are trying to take is restricted to certain account types. So alright, so as such this is not the problem over here. So let's again try to change the post, because there was no error as such over here. Okay, so once it is gone, I can click on publish. Okay, some items were not published, so that is again related to the ad only. So campaign, and this is promoted, this is posted, but the ad is not published. So fine, I can discard draft, and I can say discard. So what I can do is I can go back to the ad set. So this is engagement post, and I can create a new engagement post over here, and maybe I can select engagement post. So this also engagement post, and this also engagement post. So we can create the ad again. So in that case I can select the post over here. This time let me try to add some ID over here. So I'll copy this and enter the post. So your ad is incomplete, please check to make sure you have added all the required creative assets. Let's see. So everything it is showing as not valid. There are lots of problems in Facebook that's going on right now. Let me select this one. Okay, let me just put only the ID. Okay, so finally the ID has come up. So like this we have added, so you just need to copy the ID over here, ID of the post over here, and once it is done, then it will get selected. So now everything looks good over here, and I can click on publish over here. So now you are getting like, comment and share, all the options you are getting. So previously you were getting only share option, so that was the problem over there. So now if you see the ad over here, then you will see all the options. You can see like, comment, share, all the options are there, even save option is there. So like this you can see the variations of the ad. So the most important thing is that like, comment and share should come up, otherwise how will people engage with your ad? So this is done. So we will again do the engagement ad. I will just pause this ad because another ad is say in draft right now. So yeah, so we'll go back to campaigns over here. Yes, so now this button is coming up. Previously it was not coming up, so I'll just pause this ad over here. So one ad is active. Let me check this one. So if even that is active, then I'll keep it on. Okay, it is scheduled. Okay, the ad is off. Okay, fine, not a problem. So I can just go to the ad section and I can keep it on. Okay, so this is done over here, and then campaigns over here. So both of them are active now. So that is lead generation ads, so that's fine. So now I can create an ad over here. So this time also I'll select engagement, and this time we will do another engagement over here. So we do not have events, so but we will select a video. So I'll select video engagement, and then I click on continue, and then over here I can keep this off so that I can manage the bids. Then I click on next, and then over here I would select the on-site on your ad, and then over here video views is what we want. Maximize through plays over here. Now you can see it is through play. Now why this play is coming? Because it is a video. So if it is a video, then it has to be a play. So that is because people can play the video. Other options are 2 seconds continuous views, and this is maximize through play. So that is shorter than 15 seconds, so that we can use. So let's see if we have 15 seconds video or not. And then I need to provide the cost per result goal. So maybe I can select 1 rupee over here. So okay, so 1 rupee is good over here. So if it does not work, then in that case I will need to change it to bid cap. But say right now everything is working fine over here. So this is done. After that, what I need to do is show more options. So when do I get charged? So I don't want on impressions, I want when people will play. So this option is grayed out over here. Actually I want this option, so let me just see what I can select over here. I can try to select bid cap and see, and then let me see if this works. So yes, now you can see over here through play is coming up. So you need to select bid cap over here. So in most of the ads we select bid caps only, so we can control the cost. And then delivery type is standard or accelerated, so we are using standard delivery over here. And then the daily budget, that I can select as 500 over here. And then the start date and end date, so I can select 17, and this one 6 over here, 6 in the morning. And end date is optional, but I would provide an end date, so 31st August night 12 o'clock. And then I can select my audience, so this time I will select okay, so this is Gujarat and Maharashtra, so I'll select, and age group is 21 to maximum is 35 over here. So that's it over here. Advantage detail targeting is on, so that's fine. And now let me see where my ads will be coming up. So my ads will come up on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network and Messenger. It will come up on most of the ads over here. So it will just not come up on the messages, and over here ads on Instagram Reels, it will not come up. And over here this is Messenger inbox, Facebook Explore and Facebook right column, the ads will not come up. So fine, not a problem. So this is done. After that, show more options, that is again related to brand safety. So we are selecting standard delivery over here, and we are not blocking anyone. Content type exclusion, we don't want to exclude our content from wherever possible. And this is topics are by default excluded, so that's fine. So then I click on next, and we create our ad. So create videos using images. So in case if you want to create videos using images, you can click over here create video, and it will create videos using the images that you upload. And if you have a video, then you can select that video. So let's see what are the videos that I can select. So it needs to be 1080. So like this I can select any of the videos over here that can come up. So basically it requires the videos which are square, so mostly square only, because say brand usage in policy, okay, but ideally it requires 10 by 80. So yeah, you need to add sound, so we require a video which has a sound. So let's see which video we have a sound. So I'll select this video, and this video, say aspect ratios of the videos needs to be 1:1. So I mean it needs to be square, but I mean if we do not have a square video, then say over here I have this square video, so I can use the video which is square. So that is the only problem over here. So I can use this, and this is also there. Okay, this does not have a sound, so that's what. Okay, so I'll select this video which has a sound, so I'll click on next. And then I need to optimize this, so slide the slides of the trimmer to adjust the length of your video, because it requires minimum 15 seconds only. So current length is 30 seconds, so again that is a problem over here. So let's see over here. I can just play this first, and I can see how much we can use. Okay, so this is but if I don't show, it's okay. So maybe up till here I can show, but even this is not okay. Up till here I would show. So 9:16 is recommended. So previously 9:16 was not available. Let me just see this. Okay, so it's coming up. Then original is okay, and again 16:9. So I think even that should not be a problem, because the original video is in 9:16. I can crop because say some part is getting deducted. Is coming up properly. Okay, so I can click on next. So everything looks good. I can click on done, and yes, now I can see it is optimized, 100% fully optimized. And yes, if I want, I can add a destination also. So in this, I'm getting to see people to see this video over here, and call to action button is like, comment and share. But in case if I want my website URL, then in that case I can use that option as well. I have the option over here. I can add a primary text also. So primary text like we had used in other ads, I can use over here as well. So let's see, I can use this over here, primary text, which will come above the ad, and then if I want, I can add a destination. So remove customize access from this ad. So instant experience are not compatible with customized ad creatives for different placements. If you continue, you lose the ad creative customization you have made for different placements. So I don't want that to happen. So it's fine if I don't add the destination URL, because I want people to like, comment and share, because this is what the engagement, video engagement is. So video also we want people to like, comment and share. So we are not adding a destination over here. So this is done. Now I can preview my ad over here. So this is how my ad will look at different places. Yeah, so that's it over here. So some places ads are not compatible, the rest of the places ads are coming up. So these are the ads, and yes, once it is done, I don't see any errors over here. I can just click on publish. So now my ad will get published over here. So yes, this is getting published. So yes, now my ad is published. So now people can engage on the videos as well. So this is the video engagement ad, and now we will see the last engagement ad, that is related to page likes. So that is in case say if you have a page and you want people to like that page, then in that case you can use this ad. So that is very good, if you, especially when you have a new page, it's very helpful to get more people to engage with your page, so with like, comment and share, all those things. So page like is the most important thing that we would like to have. So we want more people to like our page. So this is it. So yeah, okay, it's fine. So now I'll create a new one, and again I will select engagement, and say now I will select page like engagement. So this is what I'm selecting over here, and I click on continue, and over here I don't have anything much to select. Over here, what does it say? There was an error saving your changes. Okay, fine. So if there was any error, it will tell me. Right now we'll click on next, and now I need to select the Facebook over here. So I need to select Facebook page over here, so where I can say people can engage with your Facebook page. So that is what is selected. This is my Facebook page, and I would say I would pay around 1 rupee per engagement, but it says that this is very less. So in that case I can update my bid strategy to bid cap over here. So now it will work. So 5,400 to 16,000 people I would reach, and approximately page likes I would get is 298 to 862 page likes every single day. So that's fine over here. And now what I need to do is I need to select my audience. So this time we are going to select our audiences. So I'll select Maharashtra. So I select Maharashtra, and then age group I can select maybe from 20 to maybe around 45 or 50 I can select. Okay, and then over here detailed targeting. So maybe I can select from suggestions, or I can select from browse options. So I'll select these options over here which are related to my content. Okay, so it's done over here. So my audience is selected, genders, all genders we want, and I can select this option. So reach more people beyond the selection that we have selected, that is beyond our detailed targeting selections that we have selected above. So any audience which is matching the audience related to what we have selected, then yes, it will show our ads to them also. So that is it. And then languages, we want all languages, so I'll not select anything over here. So by default it is all languages. And then where my ads will come up, so it will come up only on Facebook because it is a page like. So you can see over here Facebook it is coming up. So now I click on advantage plus placements, the default one, and then I can click on the next button and create my ad. So this is Facebook page is selected over here. So I don't need to do much over here except adding the primary text that I can add over here, and that's it. Over here there is no other options because this is the page that we are talking about and people will like this page. So now you can see an extra icon over here, that is the page like. So this is what we want. We want people to click on this and like our page. So this is it, and then we can click on publish page. So these are the engagement ads that we have seen. So that's it over here, and now we will create another ad. So let's see, create. So we have done engagement ads. Now this is the ad for the people who have only a mobile app, but still we will see this. So app promotion ad over here. So once I select app promotion, I can get more installation and I can get more app events, so that is more engagement over here. So you want people to take say some actions on in the event. Say maybe you might have added some new page or new form where you want interaction, so you can select this option over here. And then over here we are always going to select app ads, because this is something which will create your ads automatically, but if it creates automatically, then we will not be able to select what exactly we want, so we will select manually. So now over here I can select this. I will select app promotion and maybe the name of the app. So I have two apps over here on Play Store, so right now, yeah, only one. So I'll select maybe, okay, so I'll select this over here and then click on continue. And yes, over here will not select any options. I'll directly click on next, and then it is asking us that where is the app located, whether it is on Play Store or App Store for iPad or Windows Store or Facebook Canvas or say Amazon App Store, games or Oculus App Store. So you can select any of the option. So if you have created some apps in Facebook Canvas also, then also you can use this option. But usually people use Play Store and App Store, so I'm selecting Google Play, and then I need to select the name of my app. So I can go to Play Store and search for my app. So I'll just search over here. So you can see my app over here. I'll select this app over here and copy this URL and paste it over here. I can even directly type, but maybe it might come up or it might not come up, I don't know. So I'm typing the name over here. So over here, yes, you can see my app is there, so I can select the same over here. So this app is selected, and then over here what do we want? So performance goal, maximum number of link clicks or maximize number of app events or installations. So I'll select maximize number of installation. So in this what happens that you need to say this has to be for a professional app. I cannot use the ready-made apps to promote. Sometimes it might take, sometimes it might not take. So over here it says that I need to update the software development kit into my app over here. So for that reason maybe it might not allow, but still we are trying to use it. So what I'll do is I'll enter say around 1 rupee per installation. So this is what I'm selecting. So it might get low results, so I need to change it to bid cap, or else I need to increase the bid. So that is the problem. So app installs events are not being sent for your selected mobile apps, please check the mobile SDK. So I need to install the software development kit in the app. So let's see if it allows, then it's okay, otherwise then we cannot do this ad. So I select 500 over here, and then over here select the start date and time, and end date you can select if you want, and then show more options. So ad schedules, ad will run all the time because it is like this daily budget we have selected. And then I would select my audience over here. Okay, so that I have selected, and after that placements, let us see where will our ads come up. So our ads will come up on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network and Messenger. Everywhere our ads will come, so that's good. I'll select Advantage Plus Placements, and then show more options over here. Okay, so then I can select a specific mobile device or operating system. So in case if you want to select a specific mobile device, then you can select over here, say like Android smartphone all or Android tablets all. So you want to enter a device name, then you can manually install, you can select a device over here. And if you want to exclude some devices, then you can click and you can enter the name of the devices over here, so then your ads will not come up on those devices. And you can select the maximum and minimum OS version where you want your ads to come up. But by default we are not selecting all these options because we want our ads to come up automatically. So we will not select this, because if we select these options, then say our ads will come up only on those operating systems and only on those versions, then our audience will get narrowed down. So we are not using these options. And then brand safety, again the same thing over here. If you want to filter out the say inventories, you can select standard inventory, that is the best option over here. Block list, we are not blocking anyone and we don't want our content to get excluded from anywhere. So approximately we will get around 12 to 35 installations every day. Now if you want more, then in that case what we can do is, the only option available to us over here is I need to increase my budget. So if I do so, then let's see what I'm getting. So in that case I'm getting, so say now it has increased say to 24 to 70. So this is what I'm getting. Now I click on next, and I need to select a Facebook page. So since you have enough media options in your media library, you should try carousel ad, but we are not promoting a product, so carousel ad won't be helpful. So I would select one of my page. So I would select my page, and then I can select the ad over here, either single image or a video or a carousel ad. So that is multiple cards that we had seen last time, so wherein I can have multiple products. So this is carousel ad. So okay, fine, let's try carousel ad over here this time. So I can add at least 2 cards over here. So I can just select add cards, and add image cards or a video card. So I'll select add image card, so I can select an image over here. So fine, I'll select this image. So maximum I can select 10, but I will select 1 and 2, or say 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is the same one, so this is different. Okay, fine, so I'm not selecting this option over here. 3 are okay. I click on continue. So we can see over here the cards are added, and then I can provide some headlines. So 3 images I've added, so 3 cards I've added. So I need to provide the headline. So I can say and then I can over here deep link is not required because we don't have links for the app where people can directly go. So I can just provide the headline. So after that I can edit the second one. I can provide the name, say okay, and then the third one. Okay, so this is done. So now you can see the cards over here. So these are the cards that you can see over here. So that is it over here. Okay, and yes, after that you need to add your primary text, so that we can use over here primary text that will come up above the ad. And then we need to select the call to action. So now since this is an app, I cannot select anything else. This is the best option where people can install the app, because we are promoting an app. So that is it. And then over here this all is done. So now I can just preview my ad. So yes, like this you can see the ads are coming up. So these are all carousel ads, so these are multiple cards over here. So like this we can use these options over here. So somewhere you will have this options a button. So if it is on a desktop or a laptop, you will have a button, and if it is mobile phone, then you can scroll, so there won't be left right arrow. So like that we can see these options over here. So that applies to all the ads over here. So these are the different variations of the ads. So like this our ads will come up on the mobile devices. And again there is a problem related to this ad, that is app install application. So this particular instance over here is not added in the mobile app, so the SDK needs to be updated. So you need to have a professional mobile app which you can use. You cannot use a ready-made app which is created from a website or from the WordPress website by using a plugin. So that cannot be done. So for that reason I cannot use this, but the procedure remains the same which I have shown you over here. So if I click on publish ad, so the campaign and ad set will get promoted, but the ad won't get promoted, so that will not get published. So fine, at the moment we cannot do anything because we do not have a professional app, so we might not be able to do this ad over here. So that's fine over here. So I can just close this, and I can move towards the next ad. So I believe that is the last ad that we can do. Okay, so I click on create, and okay, so we have two of them, traffic and awareness. Two of them we have. So I'll use traffic. So traffic is basically to get say traffic on your website or mobile app, or say Facebook events. So in case if you have created Facebook events, then in that case you can use that. So mostly we require traffic for our website only, so we can use this traffic ad. If your website is new, then you can use this ad over here. So I'll use the name of the campaign, so I can use website traffic. So the same name I will use for ad sets and ads, and click on continue. So over here I would not select anything and click on next. And now over here the conversion. So where do I require the conversion? So like we have selected website, so I'll select website over here. So you can get traffic on mobile app also, messenger app also, so where people can communicate with you on Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger and Instagram direct, or else people can also give you calls, so even that is possible. So but since if we are talking about traffic, then I need it on my website, so I'll select website. And then what is it that I want? So maximize number of link clicks over here, or maximize number of landing pages, or else the other option is maximize daily number of unique reach, maximize number of conversions, or maximize number of impressions. So over here I want say link clicks over here. So unless and until people do not click on the on my ad, I don't want to pay. If people do not click on my ad, then I don't want to pay, so I will not I will select that option, link clicks. And then over here how much amount I want to pay for the click. So I will say that okay, I'll pay 1 rupee over here, and it might say that it is less. In that case, I will edit this option and select bid cap, so then that would be okay. Yes, so now that's fine over here. And then over here, show more options. So when do I get charged? So I don't want to get charged on impressions. I want to get charged when someone clicks on my ad. So that is link click, that is cost per click. So that is 1 rupee that we have selected. So every time someone clicks on my ad, say 1 rupee will get deducted from my account. That is cost per click. And then delivery type is standard, so that we don't change unless we have very much urgency. So that is it over here. So now I can select my daily budget or lifetime budget. So I'll keep daily budget as 800, because actually the link clicks is already quite less, so maybe I might even think to increase it. So instead of 800, I might put 1000. So let's see in 1000 what I'm getting, how many link clicks I'm getting say 782. So that's fine. So that is selected. And after that, what I need to do is select my schedule, that is start date and end date. So I'll select 17th. I want to start my ad at morning 6 a.m. and end date I can select 31st August, and then show more options. So ads will run all the time, that is 24 hours. And then I can select my audience. So this time I will select from my audience which I've already created. So this is the audience that I want to select. And after that, let me check the placements over here where my ads are going to come up. So it will come up on Facebook, audience network, Instagram, Messenger, everywhere it will come up. So yes, most of the places my ads are coming up. So that's fine. I can switch back to say advantage campaign options. Yes, over here. So this is done. So now you can see results are unavailable. So maybe depending on what we have selected, say it could be like say the information that we have provided or the budget that we have provided is quite less. So now let me make some changes over here. So now let me try cost cap over here. So if I get some results, no, I'm not getting any results. When do you get charged? So I want to get charged on link clicks over here. And delivery type is this. So if I, what happens if I put 5000 daily budget, so still it is not coming up. So in case say if it is not coming up, then we cannot do anything. Then it will be calculated automatically when the ad will start. So okay, so this is done. And maybe I can even try to increase the bid cap. You can try all the options available, but if it does not run, then it will be calculated automatically. Cost per result goal, so still it is not coming up. Results of bid cap, okay, so still this is not coming up. So now the problem could be related to the audiences that we have selected. So now what I can do is I'll click over here, create new audience, and I'll remove that audience. So now you can see it is coming up. So the audience which I had selected was not correct. So it is not necessary that I need to add audience, because on my website anybody can come. I just want more people to visit my website. So I don't need to select my audience over here, because I'm not selling anything. I just want people to come on my website, so that I get to know that okay, if people are interested, then they'll buy. So everybody related to digital marketing will get the ad, because this everybody will not get this ad. Only people who are related to me, only say related to me in the sense related to the category, not to me. So it's not related to me or my business, but it is related to the category of my business, that is digital marketing. So everybody will get to see the ad. So now this is done over here. And let's see. So now I'm getting 391 link clicks. So I can now change the budget and all those things. So I'll switch back to 1 rupee and I will switch back to 500 rupees over here. That's it over here. So this is done, and language is all by default, and my ads will come up at what places. So it will come up on Facebook, Instagram, audience network and messenger. Everything is good to go, and now I can click on next to create the ads. Okay, so now over here my Facebook page and Instagram accounts are selected, and then I need to create my ad format. I can select like single image video or a carousel or a collection. So if I select collection, I don't think collection will be displayed, because in the last ad I showed that the catalogs are not available currently. So but still, let me see, because I had collection in my account. So right now it is not showing up, otherwise it will show me a drop down. So group of items that opens into a full screen mobile application. So that is it over here, but I don't have any this available, so maybe I can create something new over here. So this is instant experience. So if I click on create new, then over here I can choose a template and then I can create that accordingly. So this is from the templates also you can select. So whether it is a store or a lookbook or say custom instant experience or customer acquisition or AR experience. So maybe if it is a product that you are selling, then you can select the storefront also and you can click on next. And over here if you want a header, then you can select the header as well, and then you can select a text or a logo. So I can put a logo also, so I can upload an image. So let me see if I have the logo over here. I don't think so. So in that case I can upload it. If I don't have, then I need to upload it. Okay, now I click on upload, and then let me see if I have the logos. Okay, I don't have the logos over here at the moment. Yes, I have it. Okay, it's over here. So let me select a logo. Okay, so I'll select this one, so that will get uploaded. Okay, so this is uploaded. I can select this and I can say continue. So that logo will appear on the top, and then over here products, so catalogs. So we don't have catalogs. Catalogs can't be changed because campaign is published. To use different catalog, create a new campaign. Okay, so order dynamical ID is over here. Choose specific order, select a catalog. So manually add products. So over here I can cover video or image, so I can use a video or an image. So let's see what I can select over here. So I mean, you need to have images of your products and all those things, so then you can click to add product. So add a new product. So I can select the name of the product. Let's see if it works. mostly it might not work. Let's see. But okay, okay, then product description. So right now I'll just use destination URL, save. So valid file, no file detected, or invalid file. Let's see. Okay, so now I can click on save. So let's see if it comes up. Okay, so it has come up over here, and then a fixed button. So that button I can use. I can see over here it says write something. So instead of write something, I can write something like learn more. So then that will come up, and the URL will come up over here automatically. That's it over here, and you can say done. So this is all done over here. So like this you can select this option. So maybe something has gone wrong. So this is something over here. What does it say? Please add more products. The minimum product count is 4, so you need to add 4 products over here. So then it's fine. So right now I'm not adding 4 products, so that will take a lot of time over here. So instead of instant experience we will use something else. So we are going to use single image or a video. So that is it over here. Add preview, we will click it on, and media, let's see. It is uploading something. I think we did not create any media, but maybe the last instant experience, maybe it might have created that option, but till that time we will add the rest of the things. So I'll use primary text, which will come up on the top. Then over here chat with us. So I mean, why do we need chat with us over here? Instead of chat with us, maybe I can use some other options like headline options I can use. Contact us, or maybe visit us, then maybe get offers or something. So okay, so these are headlines. Okay, headlines. I thought it is the call to action buttons. So digital marketing courses, and then SEO courses in Navi Mumbai. Then over here, get digitally ready in just 21 days. So I need to add 5 headlines over here. And one more. And then I need to add the descriptions, so I can add 5 descriptions. So it is not necessary that you need to compulsory add 5 description. You can even keep one description that will come up in all the ads, so even that is fine. Okay, so this is done, and then call to action over here: learn more, sign up, get code, book now, apply now, download, contact us, listen now. So I would select learn more would be the best option that we can use over here. So we keep learn more, and after that over here I need to provide the website URL. Okay, so this is the URL over here, and display link would be only this part. And if you want to add some extra WhatsApp or Facebook event or phone call, you can add that. So this is what you can see this ad, so you will get traffic over here, and that's it over here. So in case if you want, you can select WhatsApp, so even that is fine. So you can see my name and number associated, so automatically it will come up. So let's see. So yes, now I can click on publish ad, so this ad will get published. So now there is no other images because it is directly fetching from the website. So I mean right now it's under construction, so that under construction image is coming up in this ad. So I mean there is nothing to preview. So this is it. So yeah, this is the website traffic ad that we have done. And yes, now let's see what else. So page like no ads, I mean we have already done the ads. Lead generation, website traffic I can off, this app promotion I can off, and page engagement also I can off. Okay, so now we can do the last ad over here. So I can use the awareness. So this is impression based ads for promoting and creating brand awareness, for so that people will remember your ad. So I will select awareness for the courses, so maybe I can use that. Okay, and then I click on continue. Then on the next page we will try to give the controls to Facebook over here, and then click on say okay, we need to provide the daily budget. So I'll say 4,000. So your daily budget is set to 1020. So okay, so I need lifetime budget over here. Okay, so this is done, and the highest volume is our bid campaign strategy. So show more options over here, ad scheduling. So we want to schedule the ads, run ads on schedule. So after that I can click on next, and then what is my performance goal? So this is awareness, so maximize reach of ads, maximize number of impressions, or maximize ad recall lift, so that is the people who are going to remember your ads. And then maximize through plays and 2 seconds continuous. So this is not a video, so I'll use maximize reach of the ads. So it says that we'll try to show your ads to as many people as possible. Second is we'll try to show your ads to people as many times as possible, so the same people multiple times the ads will be shown. And this is we'll try to show your ads to the people who are likely to remember and seeing them. So the first option or the third option, that is the only option remaining, so I will select this maximum reach of the ads. Over here we have given controls to Facebook, so they will control the cost. This is my Facebook page that is selected. And then show more options over here. So frequency, how many times, so that also let Facebook manage. So that is one impression every 7 days. So one person will see your ad one time in every 7 days. That is what it is. So in case if you want to change, then you can change, but the default option you should not change, because otherwise the objective which we have selected, that is the maximized number of reach, so that will not be met. So that is the reason we should not change. And then over here, when do we get charged? So that is on impression, that is on every 1000 impressions we get charged. So this is in case if you want to promote your offline store as well, so in that case you can select this. So if you don't have offline store, then you can keep it off. And then over here you can select, so you can select dynamic creatives on, so maybe you can create multiple images and all those things, headlines, and it will create multiple ads. So in any case it is going to create multiple ads, so whether you keep it on or off, it doesn't make a difference at the moment. Then yes, I would select my ads to start on 17th. Say instead of 4 p.m. we'll make it am, so that's okay. And then end the ad on 31st August at 12 am, so that is in the night time. And then show more options over here, so that is ad scheduling, so that is spending limit, so that we are not selecting, because we have already selected the spending limit of the ad by selecting the budget over here, that is the lifetime budget. So after that what we need to select is the schedule of our ads. So okay, so that will be selecting, but before that we need to select the audience. Okay, over here we'll select the schedule first. So if I want to select 6 am to 12 am for all day, I can select that. And then for Saturday Sunday I want it on all day, say 24 hours, that I've selected. And after that I need to select my audience, so this time I'll select it from here. And okay, so that's the audience selected. And then let me see where my ads will come up. So this should also come up on all the places. So yeah, Facebook, Instagram, audience network, Messenger, the ads are not coming up, so that's fine. So these are all the placements where your ads are coming up. And then you click on any other thing left. No, I need to switch back to Advantage Plus campaigns, and then I click on next. And this is the place where we create our ads. So this is Facebook page is coming up, and then single image or a video or a carousel ad. So this time I will close this, and I'll select a video. So let's see which video I can select. So I can select all the videos, so I can select maximum of 10. So 1 2 3 4 5, and okay, we'll select those 5 only. And I click on continue. So these 5 ads will be shown to people. And then optimize creative for each person, so for every person's liking they will show the ads. So that is it. And then primary text, so we can add the primary text. so this is done over here, and then I need to write the headlines. So okay, so we need to write 5 headlines over here. So let's start. So first headline, then second headline, and then the third headline, then okay, so this is done, and then description you can add. So this is the description that I've selected, and website URL you need to use. So okay, this is the website URL and this is the display URL, and call to action you can use learn more or apply now, download, get code, book now, sign up. So I mean you can use any of the option. This time I'll use sign up over here, and then that's it over here. So I can just preview the ad. So I can see the variations of the ads over here, different ads at different places. Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Instagram reels, Facebook reels. So everywhere it's coming up. Okay, so once it is done I can click on close and click on publish. So I don't see any errors over here, so everything will get published. So this is it. So my ad is done, right? So this completes our Facebook ads over here. So we complete Facebook marketing and Facebook ads we have completed, and in the next session we are going to start with a new module. So let's see, I think we would start with mostly we will start with email marketing. So email marketing or affiliate marketing, anyone will start in the next session. So that's it for today. So if you have any questions you can ask me. Hello. Hello, are you there? Hello, Siddesh, Parth. You can unmute your microphone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I just said that we have completed Facebook ads over here, and in the next session we will be starting with a new module. So if you have any questions, you can let me know.
No, sir. We'll share your email ID. Just can you update the
Sorry,
letter
I did
record?
not hear.
No, sir.
Okay, fine, not a problem. So then see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Okay, bye. Yeah.